Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Infinix. Make sure battery is above 20% and system updates are applied. Next, plug a known good data cable into both devices. Avoid charging-only cables. Open Settings, enable developer options, then toggle USB debugging so your device accepts computer connections. Once done, select the correct USB mode notification. Choose File Transfer or MTP. Doing these steps now prevents connection denial and speeds diagnosis. Once initial setup is complete, inspect the cable and ports for lint or damage and swap ports. On a computer, open Device Manager and install or update the Infinix MTP/ADB drivers so the host recognizes the phone as media or a debug device. If you use ADB, restart the ADB daemon and run a DB devices to confirm. Make sure to accept the RSA key prompt on the Infinix when it appears. This authorizes the connection and prevents intermittent failures. To finalize, reboot both the Infinix and the host computer and attempt reconnection. Many lingering USB issues clear after a restart. If problems persist, boot the phone into safe mode to check whether an app blocks connections, then test again. Make a backup of photos and files before deeper fixes. If nothing works, a factory reset can resolve software corruption, but use it as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: try a different computer first. If it connects there, the issue is with your original host.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.